Welcome to Innomotics Evaluate. Here's a quick guide on how to do a basic navigation through the tool. Upon your first login, you'll see this message. Please enter your credentials here, such as your country, currency, and of course your name and company name. You are now ready to evaluate. You can evaluate motors using a DOL operation, but also you can choose to evaluate complete fan and pump systems, not only for DOL, but also for VSD duty. We show here the DOL motor operation. You can enter your motor credentials, such as your power, speed, and also you can enter the duty cycle data. Directly below the motor data you've entered, you can also put in your operating data. For example, how many days per year your motor will be running, how many hours per day, and we can break it down a little bit further there. Perhaps you want to put in the motor duty cycle. Maybe it's operating for a set period of time at 50% load, 75% load, or full load. Next, you will enter data from the motor you have on site. You can select from the drop-down menu a set efficiency class, for example, IE1, or you can choose to enter actual efficiency data from the motor nameplate or a datasheet that you have in your possession. It's now time to select the Innomotics motor you desire. In this instance, we have selected our IE4 motor in the severe duty range. Also here, you can choose to download the datasheet and get technical data from this motor. So far, we've been working within the Technical View tab, but of course you'll want to see a full breakdown of your potential energy savings. Here, simply click on Commercial View. You're now ready to see the potential CO2 emission reductions, your financial energy savings, and of course, most importantly, your return on investment. Variable factors can be adjusted in this tab. For example, any maintenance costs on your existing motor. Perhaps you receive some government funding for the investment in your new IE4 motor. You now have, within your fingertips, a comprehensive breakdown of the potential savings and emission reductions to help make that decision-making process for your net zero targets that much easier. Welcome to Innomotics Evaluate.